Divine love is installed more clearly and deeply into one's soul. Divine love is a special kind of love that is more highly refined and has a level of consciousness than human love. It is simultaneously many things. It is a feeling of being loved by a kind and wonderful energy. It is a feeling of being cared for by an energy that knows you intimately and is fully capable of taking care of all of your needs. It is a feeling of being safe. It is a healing and enhancement of your ability to love so that no unhealthy feelings are associated with it. It is a love you have for yourself and others that feels natural and normal. It is an energy similar to the life energy that flows throughout your body and your entire being and is a part of who you are. It can be present in your space without having someone or something as its focus. It soothes, relaxes, nurtures, and heals very deeply. This is the Holy Love One experience. Close your eyes and take a couple of deep breaths. Imagine it is a beautiful sunny day. You're walking through a beautiful forest. As you breathe into yourself, imagine you are breathing in the life essence of the forest. And with each step you take, imagine the energies of the earth are flowing up through the bottoms of your feet. As you walk along, allow yourself to experience the trees, plants, flowers, and grass, and to merge with the life and the harmony and peace of the forest. As you continue to walk along, you notice that up ahead it is getting lighter, and you realize you are coming to the edge of the forest. As you leave the forest, before you is a beautiful river. It is the river of life. Beautiful flowers are growing along the riverbank, and a path follows alongside the river. Follow the path alongside the river. Eventually, you come to a bend in the river. There's a slight breeze blowing, causing the surface of the river to have small ripples. The sun is shining off the rippled surface of the water, creating a glittering, shimmering light. You realize this is no ordinary light, but is a spiritual light coming from the highest heaven. You allow the light to enter your soul. Allow the light to guide you. You can continue with your experience as long as you feel guided to do so. And when you are ready, take a couple of deep breaths, bring your awareness to your eyes, and slowly open your eyes.